Would adding a scoop of collagen powder to your smoothie every day really transform your skin? Or are you just improving the texture of your poop? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Dr. Alpna Mohta, a triple board certified dermatologist, and today we are going to discuss a very fascinating topic, oral collagen supplements. Lately, everyone has been talking about them, be it their benefits for skin, hair, nails, and whatnot. But let's see if these claims really live up to scientific evidence. Now, collagen is one of the most abundant structural proteins present in our body. It forms the framework for our skin, our bones, our cartilage. Think of it as scaffolding that keeps our skin strong and resilient. But starting at the age of 21, our body slowly starts losing about 1% of its collagen every year. This loss of collagen can actually be increased by environmental factors like ultraviolet radiations, smoking, and even pollution. And that leads to signs of premature aging like wrinkles, sagging of skin, creepiness, and thinning of skin. So it's no surprise that people might be eager to slow down this process of collagen loss and in the process even increase the buildup of more collagen. Now the $1,000,000 question. Can oral collagen supplement actually help? So the only form of oral collagen that actually works is hydrolyzed collagen. Hydrolyzed collagen are these large collagen molecules which are actually absorbed by our body and broken down into small proteins, peptides, and amino acids, which in turn stimulate the production of something called fibroblasts. Fibroblasts are these small cells present in the dermis of our skin which help in stimulating the production of hyaluronic acid. Now here I would like to imply that collagen supplementation on its own is not directly gonna cause any collagen production in the skin. It is actually the stimulation of these fibroblasts which will lead to laying down of more collagen in your skin, which in turn will improve the elasticity, hydration, and thickness of the skin. While until a few years ago, most of the dermatologists, dietitians, and other nutrition experts actually used to believe that maybe supplementation with collagen would not really cause a lot of benefit. Currently, we have a few meta-analysis and systematic reviews, which are actually these analysis of other studies and trials which have been done in the past that have found that collagen supplementation can actually provide all of these benefits. So yes, oral collagen supplementation works, but only if it is consumed in hydrolyzed form. But what about all of those boisterous claims that collagen supplementation can help with your hair and nails as well? There is actually not a lot of collagen present in our hair and nails. It's actually a different form of protein which is essentially present in our entire skin and other external structures that is called keratin. I would not really expect a lot of benefit in these two structures with consumption of any form of collagen supplementation. Having said that, there are still a few studies, at least some small scale studies and even some patient reviews that claim that they have seen benefits with oral collagen supplementation in nails and hair. Another question that patients frequently ask is that, doctor, is collagen supplementation safe or are there any side effects if we take these supplements? Now, for most patients, it's really safe to consume and there are barely any side effects. The only side effects that have been observed in just a few patients include gastrointestinal symptoms like indigestion, diarrhea, or bloating. Also, these supplements have not been extensively studied in pregnant and breastfeeding females. So I would advise such patients to be cautious while starting any such form of supplementation and seek your healthcare provider's advice before starting any such thing in your routine. Another point to consider is the source of such collagen supplements. The most widely studied and used forms include bovine and pig sources and marine sources. Recently, some researchers have also found success with a different form of collagen called vegan collagen. This is essentially collagen derived from genetically modified organisms like yeast and bacteria. These yeast and bacteria are genetically modified to produce collagen, which is actually homologous to the one produced by animal sources, but their efficacy is said to be limited. But I'm hopeful, probably in the future, there's gonna be better genetically modified organisms which can actually produce even more effective hydrolyzed collagen. Now, what other things should you keep in mind while buying any such supplement? So, you should be informed that oral collagen supplementation is actually not regulated by FDA. So, if you're concerned about the safety and even the efficacy of any such product, just make sure that these supplements are actually certified by any third party for purity and for efficacy. Also, one undeniable factor that is going to happen with almost any form of collagen supplement that you take is heavy metal contamination. I would rather call it heavy metal impurity because you have to realize that these collagen supplements, since they are sourced from mostly from animal sources, there is obviously going to be some form of metal contamination depending upon the kind of environment in which these animals have been raised, what kind of food is being given to these animals. But still, for any reputable source of collagen supplement that you find, you can easily check the amount of heavy metal by going through their website online. Now let's talk about some of my favorite collagen supplement recommendations. The first one is Physician's Choice Collagen Peptide. Unlike other sources of collagen supplementation, this actually contains this patented Digeseb enzyme technology, which helps with reducing the side effects and increasing the gut absorption of collagen. It contains high amount of hydrolyzed collagen, which is derived from hormone-free and grass-fed sources and provides up to 19 amino acids. Next one is Vital Proteins Collagen Peptide. This is derived from grass-fed bovine sources. One serving provides up to 20 grams of pure collagen. It's really easy and versatile to use. You can mix it with either a hot liquid or a cold liquid. Usually I like to mix one scoop with either my smoothie every morning or maybe a cup of coffee every afternoon. On one of those lazy days when I don't want to put in a lot of effort, I just mix one scoop with a glass of hot milk. Next and the last one is Ancient Nutrition Multi-Collagen Peptide. This one has a mix of different collagens. Type 1, Type 2, Type 3, Type 5 and Type 10. These are derived from different sources including a mix of poultry, bovine and marine sources, so you get a little bit of everything. Also, this supplement contains probiotics to help with better digestion of the collagen peptide and improving gut health. Now the last question, for how long should you consume these supplements to see any visible benefits? So you'll find actually different information from different sources. But for optimal benefit, I would advise to consume it religiously for at least 3 months or 12 weeks before expecting any visible difference. Once you start seeing these benefits, you can continue to consume it for as long as you want. So before ending this video, I would like to ask you one question. Have you tried any collagen supplements, and if so, which is your favorite one? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. With that, this is Dr. Alpna signing off.